In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play career mode UFC 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. UFC 5 features a career mode. Career mode allows you to create your own unique fighter and guide them through the journey of becoming the UFC champion. So to start, after you boot up the game for the first time and you go through all of the initial setup, from the home screen of the game, right underneath Fight Now, you will be able to find Career. So this is where you will be able to start. Enter the yard, go viral, and fight your way up the UFC rankings. So all that you have to do is choose the option from here. This should be available by default. You don't need to unlock it as soon as you purchase the game. Either a physical copy or digitally, you will be able to select career. You will have 5 career slots, so you can create different fighters and do different things to see how the story plays out. So if you have never done career mode before, all of these will be available. Choose any of them and you will be able to select which career modes you want to go through. So after this is done, you will now be able to customize your fighter. So the first thing that you will have to do is choose kickboxer, boxer, MMA, wrestler, or jiu-jitsu. You will see the perks and the overall rating on each of these stats. For this video, I'm not going to recommend anything. I'm just giving you a rundown of what you can do. You can use the buttons displayed over here at the bottom left to see your moves, rotate your character, and of course to select any of these options. After you are done setting up the perks and which fighting style you want to use, you will be able to customize the general information, so your name, nickname, social media handle, and so on. And of course, the most important thing, to customize the actual appearance. So you will be able to change everything about your fighter and make sure that you are proud to play as him. After this is done, you will be thrown into career mode immediately, and in here you will be able to go through tutorials to improve your skills and eventually take on harder and harder challenges. I hope I was able to help you on how to play career mode UFC 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.